Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I've got a couple things for you today. First of all, I want to thank all the new subscribers and thank everybody who likes my videos. That really warms my heart, makes me feel good, lets me know that people like me. Please feel free to leave comments down below as well. And again, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends, share this video as much as you can. So today I've got a couple things. One thing is this, it's a grape soft mask powder. It's a sort of an alginate. I want to say it's probably made out of seaweed, but honestly, everything on it is written in, I believe, Korean. And so this doesn't really do me any good. But I'm gonna give it a try. It's this ginormous package. It should probably last the rest of my life. And I'm not sure. The reviews on Amazon were a little weird. I'll put the link to it up in the descriptions, and I'll also put it up next to me as well. So we're gonna do this, but I'm also gonna first start and prime my face with something new that I got. This is the First Treatment Mist by Missha. It's a Korean brand as well. I'm not really sure what exactly is in it because again, it's in Korean, but I've been using this for a few days and my skin feels amazing. So first off, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just gently cleanse my skin from the day. I have just a basic, like, you know, moisturizer on my skin. So what I'll do is I'll just take a warm washcloth and kind of dampen that. And that's how I'm gonna kind of get my face ready for this crazy mask. I also need to mix it. It's a powder that you mix with water. Apparently it's supposed to add collagen. This one has, it says it's got grape extract, VE, capital letters. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look it up. I may not ever find out. And NMF, etc. So that sounds great. It says it's formulated to moisturize, firm, and smoothen skin, delay its aging process, leaving the skin elastic, energetic, and brilliant. So that's a lot to live up to, and this is a giant bag. I think this was about $16. I bought it a while back. I haven't really tried it yet, but let's give it a try and see what it does. So I'll use, I don't know, that much, a scoop. Doesn't come with a scoop or anything, so who knows. There you go. Okay, so let's get this mask going and mix it with some water. We'll see. Now, at one point in my life, a long, long time ago, I was a dental assistant, and we had something very similar that we used to take dental impressions with, and it's very, very similar to me. So that stuff was made out of seaweed alginate of some sort. So I think that's kind of what this is. Let's see what we end up with. It may run off my face, or may never set. Mixing it up, if you can see. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, so I'm mixing it up. It's kind of like oatmeal almost, but maybe, okay, it's getting less lumpy. Now it's getting smoother. It almost seems like it's too runny. It's gonna like run off my face. I don't know what I've created here. I have no idea. It's slimy. It smells like grape though. Smells kind of good. Let's put some on and see what happens. As you can tell, I stuck it right in my hair. Okay, as I'm applying it, it actually seems to be getting like smoother. It's soft, it runs a lot. Warm. I mixed it with warm water. I don't know if I was supposed to. Oh my God. Oh dear Lord. Oh. Let's see what we can do with this. I like it. I kind of like the way it feels. I love that it's kind of warm and goopy. How often do you get to smear something warm and goopy all over your face? It feels soft. I may be putting way too much on. I have no idea. Looks like I made enough to cover my entire head. Why do I feel like a Pop-Tart suddenly? One of those toaster strudels, you know, that you squirt the stuff on. They're really good. Maybe this will make me taste delicious. I guess this is what I'm supposed to be doing. I feel like I'm taking an impression from my face for a thriller video. And I feel like I'm channeling a Pop-Tart or a toaster strudel, as I've mentioned before. It does feel good though. It's kind of, oh, it's starting to set up. Okay, it's starting to happen now. Oh God. So in the container, it's starting to get kind of weird and goopy and like solid. Huh. What an interesting mat. I kind of like this. See, oh, I can't apply it anymore. It's become like a, almost not spreadable, but it's getting there. Well, maybe I can put more on there. I like the way it feels. It feels soft and warm, like pastry. So let's set this set up. It's beginning to firm up a little bit. Okay, so it's set pretty good. I'm noticing that in the bowl here, it's coming out like in a clump, and it looks like it'll kind of peel. I don't know how it'll do on me. Let's check. Let's give it a check. That's weird. Oh, that feels neat. There's part of it. It definitely doesn't seem to come off in one piece, that's for sure. That feels good. I love the way this stuff feels. It doesn't pull like your hair like the sticky masks do. I'm not getting any of that for sure. And I could put it over my beard stubble without a problem. It feels neat. It's like something out of Alien, like I'm being reborn. With hopefully fresher, younger skin. Yes, this stuff feels very much like the dental alginate that we used to use at the dental office to take impressions. I think very much it's the same thing. It's just got a little bit of a grape scent to it. They had multiple flavors or scents, I guess you could call it. On Amazon, they had pearl and chamomile and like chrysanthemum and strawberry. I got the grape one because it claimed to make the skin more elasticy and more supple. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna take a warm washcloth and just wipe the remains off. So I took it off and just put it all in this bowl here. That's fine. It's kind of rubbery and weird. I'm gonna throw it away. I'm not gonna I don't know what else to do with it. Okay, that mask was fun. So for my next treatment, what I'm gonna do, very quick, is I'm gonna use this new Missha toner. It's called Time Revolution, the First Treatment Mist. I've been using it again, like I said, for about, a week or so, and I love it. It's amazing. It's from Korea. There was a sale on Missha's website, so I went ahead and got some. I'll put the information in the description as well as up next to me here, telling you about what it is. I'm just gonna tone my face. feels and smells amazing. I'm kind of overdoing it because I want the extra dewy. Wow, that is amazing. After that mask, it feels amazing. Looks like I still have remnants of mask on my face. I don't know where those came from, but they're there. Let's get rid of them. Which then leads us to more spraying. Why not? It was on sale. Okay, folks. Well, I appreciate you joining me today. Please subscribe. Please like my videos, and please, again, subscribe to my channel. Follow me, share me with your friends. Give me ideas in the comments and let me know. Give me some encouragement. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. I want to make my viewers happy. So with that, I will leave you, and you will see me here next time.